Now we consider another example. X plus 2y is equal to 3 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 9. From first equation, we find its domain. From equation 2, we find the domain for the equation. Now we place these points on the graph. Equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 3. Its domains are x1, y1, x minus 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. From equation 2, its domain is x3, y0, x is 5, y is equal to minus 1, it is 5 minus 1, and x is minus 3 and y is equal to 3. When we join these points, we obtain all these points on the same line. It implies that the two lines are coincident and thus the equations have many solutions. Dear students, today we will discuss the algebraic methods for solving the system of linear equations. The first algebraic method is elimination by equating coefficients. We take this example, x plus 3y is 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 7. If we want to eliminate x, then we have to equate its coefficient in the two equation. So first equation is multiplied by 2 and second by 1. So first equation becomes 2x plus 6y is equal to 18 and second equation is copied as it is. Now as we wish to eliminate x, their coefficients are equated. Both have positive sign or like signs. Therefore, we have to subtract the second equation from the first one. 2x minus 2x eliminated, 6y minus y, that is 5y, equals to 18 minus 7, that is 11, or y is equal to 11 upon 5. Now we put the value of y in any of the equations. Here we have x plus 3y is equal to 9. Replacing y is equal to 11 upon 5, we have x plus 3 is equal to 9, x plus 33 upon 5 equals to 9, or x is equal to 9 minus 33 upon 5. LCM is 5, so it is 45 minus 33, or x is equal to 12 upon 5. Thus, the solution for the system of equation is x is 12 upon 5 and y is equal to 11 upon 5. Now we consider another method, that is elimination by substitution. We consider the same equation, x plus 3y is 9 and 2x plus y is 7, but it will be solved by using this method. First we obtain value of x from equation 1. From equation 1, x is equal to 9 minus 3y. Now we substitute this value of x in the second equation. Substituting x in equation 2, and thus we obtain twice of 9 minus 3y plus y is equal to 7. So x is replaced by 9 minus 3y. This is 18 minus 6y plus y is equal to 7, or 18 minus 5y is equal to 7, or minus 5y is equal to 7 minus 18, or minus y is equal to minus 11, or y is equal to 11 upon 5. Now we substitute the value of y in any equation. Here we consider the first equation and substitute y by 11 upon 5. X is x plus 33 upon 5 is equal to 9, or x is 9 minus 33 upon 5, and that is 45 minus 33, and thus x is equal to 12 upon 5. So thus x is 12 upon 5 and y is equal to 11 upon 5 is the common solution for the two equations. Third algebraic method, that is cross multiplication method. The standard form of linear equations in two variable is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Here a1, a2 are coefficient of x in the two equations, b1, b2 coefficients of y, and c1, c2 are the constants. In order to solve the equations by cross multiplication method, we first obtain a formula for solving it, and for this we use this technique. If C1 and C2 constants are the right side of the equations, then we use this minus 1 over here. But if C1 and C2 are on the left side and right side is 0, then it is only 1. Negative sign is not taken. Now, to obtain the formula to calculate x, we equate x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 with minus 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and thus x is equal to b2 c1 minus b1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, we can obtain formula for calculating y. Y upon c1a2 minus c2a1 is equal to minus 1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1, and thus y is equal to c2a1 minus c1a2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we consider an example. 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 25 and 2x plus y is equal to minus 10. We write down the coefficients. a1 is 3, a2 is 2, b1 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 1, c1 is minus 25 and c2 is equal to minus 10. Now using the formula, x is equal to b2 c1 minus b1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. We replace the values of coefficients. Now we replace the values from these coefficients. So x is equal to b2 1 multiplied by minus 25. We get minus 25 minus b1 into c2. c2 is minus 10 and there is a negative sign over here. So it becomes plus 20 upon a1 b2, that is 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 2 to the 2 into 2, 4, and this is minus 5 upon minus 1 and that is 5. So x is equal to 5. Similarly, y is equal to c2 a1 minus c1 a2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. We substitute the values. c2 minus 10, a1 is 3, so that is minus 30 minus c1 a2, c1 negative and minus sign is here, so two negatives make positive, 25 to the 50 upon a1 b2, that is 3, minus a2 b1, that is 4. So this is 20 upon minus 1, or y is equal to minus 20. So x is 5 and y is equal to minus 20 is the solution for the system of equations. Now we consider another example. A plus 2bx plus 2a minus by is equal to 2 and a minus 2bx plus 2a plus by is equal to 3. We write down the coefficients a1 and a2, b1 and b2 and c1 and c2. Then we use the formulas and replace the values of the coefficients in the formula. b2, that is 2a plus b, 2a plus b, and c1 is 2, minus b1 2a minus b into c2, that is 3, upon a1 a plus 2b into 2a plus b minus a2 a minus 2b, and this is 2a minus b. Now solving it, this is 4a plus 2b minus 6a minus plus 3b upon, because minus b and minus n become positive, upon this is twice of a square plus ab plus 4ab plus 2b square minus 2 into a square and plus 4ab plus ab and minus 2b square. This is 4a minus 6a, that is, and 5b minus 2a upon twice of a square minus twice of cancel, 2b square minus 2b cancel, and total 5 and 5, that is 10ab. So x is equal to 5b minus 2a upon 10ab. We substitute the values of the coefficients in the formula. C2 3 into a1, so 3 into a1, that is a plus 2b minus c1 a2, this is a minus 2b upon a1, that is a plus 2b 2a plus b minus a minus 2b into twice of a minus b. Solving it, we get 3a plus 6b minus 2a plus 4b upon twice of a square plus ab plus 4ab plus 2b square minus twice of a square plus ab plus 4ab minus twice of b square. So 3a minus 2a, that is a plus 10b upon twice of a square cancel, twice of b square cancel, and this is 5ab and 5ab, that is 10ab. So y is equal to a plus 10b upon 10ab.